Hello everyone, I am Gustavo from SHINING3D. In previous videos, I have shown you the process of getting full 3D data by OptimScan Q12. After obtaining the high precision data, you may need to evaluate the data quality. Now, we offer a new professional spectrum module, SHINING3D Inspect. The inspection tool is powered by a high-performance engine that equipped with PTB-certified mathematical algorithms of the highest level. It offers multiple alignment methods to help you quickly and precisely compare 2D and 3D scan data against the reference models or design specifications. With the built-in GD&T tools, SHINING3D Inspect makes it easy to measure diameters, positions, angles, distance, and the orientations between the features. Once you are done with the inspections, results can be instantly previewed and exported as a PDF report or CSV files, so sharing and archiving it's a breeze. SHINING3D Inspect is widely applicable across industries such as manufacturing, medical devices, civil aviation, and more. When paired with a robot, it forms a complete automated 3D inspection system for precise, repetitive, and special tasks. Thanks for watching.